GM Defense Infantry Squad Vehicle 2020. The Infantry Squad Vehicle, ISV, is an air-transportable high-speed, light utility vehicle selected by the United States Army in 2020, based on the Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 platform. An ISV can carry 9 infantrymen. Fielding begins in 2021, along with initial operational test and evaluation. IAT 649 ISVs are to be allocated to 11 infantry BCTs by 2025. In 2019, the U.S. Army awarded 3 ISV prototype contracts to the GM Defense, Ricardo plc Consortium, the Oshkosh Defense, Flyer Defense LLC Consortium and the Science Applications International Corporation, SAIC/Polaris Incorporated Consortium. The operational requirements of the ISV are 9 passengers, a payload of 3,200 pounds, 1,500 kilograms, transportable by external sling load by a UH-60 Black Hawk helicopter, internal load, external lift by CH-47 Chinook helicopter, low-velocity airdrop by C-130 or C-17 transport aircraft and exceptional mobility over all terrains, allowing infantry brigade combat teams to move with their equipment over difficult terrain. The GM Ricardo prototype was based on the Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 and uses 90% commercial off-the-shelf parts. The Oshkosh Flyer prototype was based on the Flyer Ground Mobility Vehicle 1.1 and the SAIC Polaris prototype was based on the Polaris Dagger. Prototype trials took place at Aberdeen Proving Ground in December 2019, followed by further trials at Fort Bragg in January 2020. In June 2020, the U.S. Army awarded GM Ricardo a $214 million contract to build 649 ISVs. The total Army requirement is 2,065 ISVs. The first delivery is to be made to the 1st Brigade, 82nd Airborne Division. The vehicles will rely heavily on motorsport technology, with suspension modifications from Rod Hall Products, which sells modifications for the road-going version of the Colorado ZR2, and chassis modifications are to be built in Murrysville, North Carolina by Hendrick Motorsports. Vehicles will be delivered from GM's new Charlotte Technical Center in Concord, North Carolina.